The rings of Saturn are amazing sight in our solar system. While no human could ever have seen Saturn without its rings. Don't be surprised, but in the time of dinosaurs, the planet may not yet have acquired its iconic rings. Yes, the rings are much younger than the planet itself. And the future Earth dwellers will not see them too, because soon Saturn is going to lose its rings again. Really? But how and why? Let's find out. Hello and welcome again in this amazing episode about Saturn and its rings. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Almost 10 times larger than our Earth. It is approximately 1.2 billion kilometers away from our Earth. However, due to the Earth's and Saturn's orbit around the Sun, this distance varies. Sometimes Saturn is closer to us and other times it is further away. Saturn's rings are one of the most spectacular sights in the solar system. And these rings were first observed by great astronomer Galileo in 1610. Since then, different space agencies have sent numerous missions to Saturn, like Voyager and Cassini, which have given us groundbreaking discoveries about this planet. While exploring Saturn's rings, NASA's Cassini spacecraft found a lot of new details, such as the rings of Saturn are composed mainly of ice, rocks, and dust, ranging from very tiny dust particles to large rocky boulders. Also, further research have detected that the rings also contain other molecules such as methane, ammonia, and other organic chemicals. These rings are not solid, but rather a collection of individual particles that are constantly moving and colliding with each other. This gives the ring a very delicate structure, and they can be easily damaged by impacts from meteoroids or other heavy objects. Because the objects in the rings are thought to be the remains of comets, asteroids, or even moons that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Recent research has shown that Saturn's rings are much younger than previously thought. A study published in 2023 by scientists at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center found that the rings are only about 400 million years old, which is much younger than Saturn itself, because Saturn is about 4.5 billion years old. To arrive at a new age estimate for Saturn's ring system, researchers studied how rapidly this dust layer gathers. And to do so, the team used an instrument called the Cosmic Dust Analyzer aboard NASA's Cassini spacecraft. Another study published in 2022 has also found that Saturn's rings are slowly disappearing. According to this study, the rings are losing its mass at a very rapid rate, and these researchers estimated that the rings are losing about 100 tons of materials per second. And this material is being pulled into Saturn by the planet's gravity, where it eventually rains down onto the planet's surface. and this process is called ring rain. And for that reason, it is estimated that the rings could be gone in just a few 100 million years. Are you surprised to learn that they are so young? Or you fascinated by the idea of them slowly disappearing? Let me know in the comment box. And also subscribe Physics Musings to know more about these rings and other universe related facts. See you in next episode. Thank you for